or his girlfriend, or in some instances, his wife and his girlfriend down here.
For a beach vacation or a beach holiday. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Imani, hope you all are doing great. And guess where am I today? I'm so excited and happy because मेरे roster में finally इतने time बाद कोई new destination add हुआ. My roster was very repetitive. Last few months I was doing the same flights, same destinations, तो इतना कुछ exciting नहीं था. But I was really excited for this one. So I'm in Manchester right now, and also I was happy because this layover is quite long. So we have 3 nights in Manchester, जिसमें से एक night मैंने successfully waste कर दिया because yesterday the whole day I was just sleeping. बट एनी वे आज का दिन हम यूटिलाइज करने वाले हैं. आई एम गोना शो यू वेयर वी आर गोइंग. इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर प्लेस. बट बिफोर दैट लेट मी क्विकली गिव यू गाइज द रूम टूर. I found this room really cute and it has a very vintage vibe. I really like this wallpaper. So I'm wearing this very cute sweater from H&M and I'm wearing white trousers. So it's a very simple casual look, but I like it. Say hi.
United.
Yeah.
Right, okay, I get the picture. Yeah.
That's the point.
It's the wrong answer though that I'm looking for. It's not the right answer.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
We'll need to alert security about you. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. They'll have an image of you already, don't worry.
Teacher, I'm still very interested in about Old Trafford.
Right, okay, well,
Although-
despite you being a Liverpool
Yeah.
fan, we'll let you carry on.
I'm very interested.
Any advance on Liverpool? Any other teams? Anybody else?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. What went wrong, lads? What happened? We were relying on you. We were relying, and you let us down badly. Dear me. Well, that's one bonus, isn't it? But 4-0, guys. Come on. I mean, we only lost 6-3. It's down to us now. On the 3rd of June, we're playing.
Guys, so I'm back in my room and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole stadium tour and the museum tour. This museum and this stadium is so famous and popular that people from the entire world, they especially come to visit this stadium, all the football fans. So बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. प्लेयर्स का ड्रेसिंग रूम और कहाँ से एंट्री होती है, कहाँ से एग्जिट होती है, सब कुछ दिखाया उनने. एंड ऑल्सो ये टूर के बाद हम लोग कुछ शॉपिंग वॉपिंग करने गए एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू रिकॉर्ड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, लेकिन फ़ोन का बैटरी डेड हो चुका था. सो आई कुडंट रिकॉर्ड मच एंड आई शॉप्ड अ लॉट बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग ऑन वेकेशन in few days. I'm not going to reveal the destination now. You guys will know in my next vlogs, so keep guessing until then. Drop in the comment section कि आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ vacation पे. And I think I will continue this vlog tomorrow. अभी कुछ plan नहीं है कल का. Let's see कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या करते हैं. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Manchester and अभी हो रहा है around 2:30 दिन का. And I woke up at around 11 something. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा काम किया and I'm super hungry right now. So I'll get ready and then we'll head out. Before that, I wanted to show you guys a bag that I bought yesterday. It's a very cute bag. और मैंने और भी चीज़ें खरीदी बट वो मैं दूसरे ब्लॉग में दिखाऊंगी जो भी मैंने अपने वेकेशन के लिए शॉपिंग की है. बट आई शो यू द बैग फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ द बैग लुक्स. Isn't it cute? Perfect for a beach vacation or a beach holiday. So that's also a hint. So the place where I'm going has a lot of beaches and also mountains. So keep guessing and I'll catch you. Hi guys, so I'm almost ready and we'll be heading out soon for lunch. I am so hungry that I can't wait. And मैंने Google पे एक रेस्टोरेंट सर्च किया है जो कि बहुत पास में है. It's like 300 meters walk. तो हम जल्दी से पहले कुछ खाने जाएंगे. And also I want to show you guys how my hotel lobby looks because it's very cute. There's a very cute bar and एक बहुत छोटा सा और बहुत interesting library है. And there's also a very famous library here in Manchester और वो बहुत पास में ही है होटल के. सो अगर हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं देन वील ऑल्सो गो देयर. बट आई एम नॉट श्योर क्योंकि वो 5 या 6 बजे आई गेस बंद हो जाता है एंड अभी ऑलरेडी 3:30 हो रहा है. सो अगर टाइम रहा सो वील गो देयर एज वेल. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड लेट्स गो.
Going down. Going up.
Good, thank you. It's raining. Hi guys, so I am back again in my room and it's such a mess right now. I have to pack everything and probably then after this I'll go to sleep क्योंकि मुझे कल सुबह उठना है and मेरी flight है. And I'm so sorry कि मैं आपको library नहीं दिखा पाई. A because it was raining और B by the time मैं अपना खाना वाना ख़त्म करके बाहर जाती it was already 5 तो library बंद हो चुकी थी. So after my lunch I just went to do some shopping and then I had a very light dinner and उसके बाद मैं बहुत चल के वापस होटल आई. So now I'm like really very tired. Now I'll quickly just get done with this stuff and go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next. Bye.